Hey guys, so I cannot show you my map right now, so we're going to do start map. Yeah. Today I'm going to teach you something else. This is going to do terrain. Oh wait, no, props. Okay. Arcade machine. Here we go. So you're going to select any prop basically, besides smaller ones that won't work. Collision enabled. Which no? Then appearance, you know how to do this. Flip, no. Alpha. Yeah, I like doing that. Availability. You could also make it visible on Game Start. You could also say no. So look at, I'm going to start this game up. And if I try to jump on top of it, it will not work because I turned the collision off. And we all know how this guy works. He will shoot at you. Unless you're not here for level 2 beginner, you should go check that one out. And see, you cannot do it. By the way, I'm going to add all those videos to a series so you can watch it all together. Look at this. You cannot do it no matter what. No matter how high you go, no matter how many glitches you use, well, actually maybe glitches, you'll probably not be able to get this to be solid object. Sorry, my voice cracked up there. Anyway, another thing we have is some of this devices stuff that I'm still getting to. Devices are a big thing that people don't do that much. So, barriers. You might think, oh, barriers are clear because, it has to be, right? I put a barrier here, barrier color. It's not clear. And you're saying, what? How does that make any sense? So when I start the game, this is what you'll see. This is what every player will see. So I don't think any way to actually make it see-through. I think there is, but I'll explain it later. Oh yeah, I like making this a circle for absolutely no reason sometimes. Is the barrier active when the game starts? I always push no, because then if you push start, the game will not calculate it. But watch, it will appear any second now. The only problem with barriers is that they don't disappear, which many people don't know, and they have to end their game, go back, delete it, or they stick with it and copy. Oh yeah, push. So if you're on the computer, you push M to move, you click to modify, and you push C to copy. And then the arrow keys, I'm pretty sure I explained this last time in the one. You will jump, go, use the arrow keys. Anyway, we're still on devices. Detect. Oh yeah. Text. The most people get, but size nobody gets really. And we all know I like to use 40. And just enter any text you want to. You could add Summit 1. And then content, you could add it to a certain player or a certain team. I like to put a team, or most of the time just global. Appearance. I always put text color to black. And if you do not know, it does not move by this. It moves by this. See, this is how you change to get different colors for this. But you need to drag this to actually get to different colors. And by the way, this will apply during game. So do not worry, it will apply during the game, so you don't have to go all the way back and readjust something. It will apply during game. as you can see. There's also a slight thing that I hate. So the zone. I'm gonna put this here. No, I'm gonna push. I'm gonna push it right there. Okay. Wait, no, wait. This is the spawn pad. Crap. Here, zone. You can put channel names if you want to. I just want to put the, and then the, allow gadget fire, then shape, and items. Allow gadget fire, drop, do not override, allow resources drop, and then you can do all that. So allow resources drop, yes. Drop item. Right, friends. Fire, yes. Zone shape rectangle. This one game, no. Background color, make it anything you want. I personally kind of like red. Kind of cool. Visible in game, no. Active on game start, yes. Active, the name, the allow gadget drop, yes. Usable drop, yes. Okay, dropped item, dropped amount item, 70. So now all that's running like it should be. The only thing is I was never able to get work these channel names because I'll show you guys channel names later. It does not work right now because I need channel names. Channel names are just annoying though. I do not like it. It's pretty annoying too. So really I would just put a zone in there for absolutely no reason. And then just leave it to look cool. I like doing that sometimes. The only thing is it looks a little different from when I was on it. Did they change it? Oh wait, you have to change this. D4. Yeah, so then like I was gonna say if you have the and the deactive D4. Something shouldn't be added to that. Yeah, I don't know why, but zone does not work. So I'm gonna show you guys something that does work actually. And this is the button. Buttons are very, very annoying to work with. And wait, sorry, not the button. I'm not gonna show you that. That's for 4. So for button, you need wires. I'll show you that tomorrow. Anyway, place down text. Let me show you that. Create banners and banners. Here, pop-ups. Hey, header text. Put anything you want. The guy. Then content text. As you see, content shown small text used for descriptions and additional info. Bro, it's coming. Just put that if you want. Bro, it's coming. Open a pop-up and receiving on channel the pop-up style model. Yeah, that's basically all you need for this. Look and behavior. I don't really like that. Look and behavior. That doesn't really matter, to be honest. If you want to change that, I'm not going to do that. Because that's more expert level, I feel like. And then call to action style standard. Yeah, so like we're basically all done. I don't know how to fully run these things yet. The guys come, bros coming, get see. It's just gonna appear and it's so annoying. The thing is you can't even run from it. Help! And you just gotta go. I just no idea why it's so annoying. So yeah, that's pop-up. And then this is one of my longer videos, 10 minutes. I think I'll end it actually here. Of course, this is a shorter C one because I wanted to make it longer and more interesting, but I couldn't. So sorry. Super sorry, actually. I want to make this very long. So yeah, I'm so sorry that I cannot make this longer. Anyway, let me end the game. Never mind, this looks absolutely horrible. Let me start the game. Guys coming. I do not care. Is that ant? What the hell? There's an ant. Why is there an ant? There's an ant on my keyboard. What the hell? Jeez, no. No! Come on! Why did I push that? I just wanted to say bye. Alright. So guys. I didn't even push it! Oh my god! Oh, I'm so sorry guys. I'm about to freak out. I'm about to go mentally insane, dude. Anyway guys. So. See you guys next time. And the reason I cannot do my roll is because it's out there. I just remembered. I gave it to my friend. I forget how to get it back. I need to ask him how I gave it to him. Anyway, bye. And thanks for watching. Anyway, like and subscribe. And yeah. Let's hope we reach 10 subscribers by the end of the year. Bye.